Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah. Hey guys, this is Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah. Here to disassemble, reassemble, clean, put together, take apart my XD file. Yeah. This is by Springfield. Nice, as usual. And yeah, what up? Huh? Bow. Man. Bow. So, this Springfield XD Compact, the 45 pistol. Got a 10 rounds in the magazine. And you know, sometimes people think 10 rounds ain't a lot, huh? When you start putting those cartridges or your bullets, when you start putting all that inside, makes a big difference. Got the slide catch on, magazine is out, pull back, left forward, right? All right, so right to it. I gotta look at it when I'm, right? Because I push the slide catch up whenever I push it back, and it hits a little groove in there and it stops it. Slide catch, this piece right here. It's a little different actually, see? So on this one, you're gonna have this portion here, right? Once you push the slide catch back, and this is to disassemble it. You actually push it through a little groove right there. Just like that. Now it's up. It was down. Now it's up. Right? Same thing as when I had the Generation 4 Glock. As far as culling it back, moving it forward, pull the trigger, it comes off, bow, just like that. Right? I took this one to the gun range with me as well. You got the guy rod here. And of course you got the barrel. So as you can see, it's still kind of shiny. That's because they had to lube it on up. All right. So we're gonna take this piece out of there. The guy rod and spring. And then we're gonna take the barrel, which is right here, out of there. Voila. All right. We go get to the cleaning. Yeah. That's when you know I start feeling myself. I start acting up. All right. So you gotta clean it. You really wanna get all that residue out of there. Man, do I love the smell. Ah. Yeah, you know, when you go to the gun range, you can smell the bullets or whatnot. You know, you smell the gun smoke, the gunpowder. You can still smell it on your, like a cigar, like. You can still smell it on your slide, right? You can smell it on your barrel too, but not as much as the slide over here on this side. So I'm just gonna clean it up real quick, make it real quick, Same shirt, same everything. All right. So you're just gonna clean it up real quick. Because that's what we wanna do. We wanna keep it looking nice, keep it shooting true, keep it shooting in the range. Like boo, 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 yeah. You know, like boo, boo, okay. Anyway. So we're gonna go ahead and take the board cleaner, put it inside, nothing to hide. This is a 45, so look at that, slide right through. But as you can see, it's a bigger hole, Now, I do have a 9. I think that was the first one that I did. I like the 9. I actually like the Glock the best. And then second, I would have to say the Springfield, which I'm cleaning now, the XD 45. It's compact. You know, compacts are okay, but I think I like full size. I don't know if it's because I'm short, because I'm actually 5'3.5". So I don't know if it's because I'm short, and you know you got that little man complex, or is it the grip? You know what I mean? My hands aren't the biggest, but it gets the job done. And that's what matters. But I think I appreciate the full size pistols the best, and that's okay. It's just what I prefer. But I mean, the compact, you know, it's nice. It's smooth to be a 45. I ain't gonna lie to you. Yeah. Well, this time I'm gonna do it a little different. I'm gonna take my Hopes 9, I'm gonna take my CLP, and I'm just go dibble dabble on the shibble shabble. I'm just go get it up in the grooves, right? As I said, you want to get it in the grooves of the slide because you're gonna have that metal against the metal. I just let it smear on there, you know. You know, as far as the oil, you just want to tap a little bit because it's like putting oil in the pan. And I'll say it again, when you're putting oil up in the pan, you put a little bit and you smear it. You don't want to pour all the oil in the pan if you're just trying to coat it. And that's exactly what you're doing. You're just coating it. Yeah. This is a lot of fun. A lot of fun. I you know, if this was my job just to clean firearms all day, man, would I be at home. But you know what? I'm at home. So that kind of works out. But I'm saying if I got paid to do it, then I would really be at home. You know, like a metaphor. Metaphorically speaking, I would be at home. Yeah. So we go take that through there. That's good right there. Everything is good to go almost, with the exception of my little piece right here. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. Yeah. So you put it here, 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 here. Right. I mean, you can put something in the inside if you want. It ain't gonna hurt, but just a tad, just a drop. Just a droplet. Just to smear that shine, to get your shine on. Yeah. Okay. I'm gonna wipe it down. Now, I like to take my time in most videos with it and just sit here and talk you to death. But today I'm only gonna halfway talk you to death, just a little bit. Why? I don't know. You know, just go halfway talk you to death. Anyway. So you go ahead and get everything nice and shiny. And don't forget, if you're not going the same day, after you get it nice and shiny, it's going to sit there. You know, so don't worry, is it going to have enough glaze so when you shoot, it'll be amazed. Because it will. Even if you went the same day. Even, you know, when you pull the trigger or whatnot. Check it out. Yeah, put the barrel in first. Push it back. Everything fits in. Take the guide rod spring. Little portion in the back. I don't think I wiped that down yet. Gotta have everything your way, right away. Now, in this one, as you can see, right here, see, it's a little different. Got a little angle on it. Anyways, you can just lock it up in that little groove. It's only one specified groove to put it in, right? Everything is good. Gotta get it. Got it on there. Pull it back, right? But you want that slide catch on, unless you want to hold it back the whole time when you're putting it back together. Because, like, again, you have that little groove right there. Push it down. Boom. Done. Let's see. Okay. Or you can push it back, hit the slide catch right here, and you can just pull it back and then let it forward. It's up to you. So that's how easy and quick it is, really. So don't forget to like and subscribe. It's Deshaun Rip Loud Johnson. Yeah.